2 days ago, the Karnataka High Court gave a firm thumbs down to Karnataka government's decision to conduct board exams for classes 5, 8, 9 and 11. It seemed like a victory for those against the exam. However, just when these students and their parents sighed relief, a division bench of the same court with Justices K. Somashekar and Rajesh threw a curveball by slapping an interim stay on that decision. Now, what does interim stay mean in this context? Sudarshan Suresh, an advocate practicing at the Karnataka High Court, explained that the court has put a temporary hold on its earlier rejection, allowing the exams to happen while the appeal process is still in motion. It's like the court pressed the pause button on the earlier decision, so while the appeal is still pending, the exams can proceed as planned. Confused? Join the club. The single judge had quashed the notification dated October 6 and 9, 2023, issued by the state government to hold board examinations for the summative assessment of students of classes 5, 8, 9 and 11 in schools affiliated to the Karnataka School Examination and Assessment Board. The 5th, 8th and 9th class board exams are slated to begin on March 11. While government schools have not raised any objection, private schools have. The Association of Unaided Schools approached the High Court challenging the order of the government. The legal tussle revolves around the Karnataka Education Act of 1983, specifically Section 145, which mandates a detailed process for introducing any changes related to exam. It requires that a draft notification be passed inviting objections from any stakeholders. However, the government seems to have bypassed this requirement, introducing board exams through notifications in October 2023. This has led to accusations from the Registered Unaided Private Schools Management Association Karnataka and the Organization for Unaided Recognized Schools. While the government claims its decision is in the public interest, opponents argue that legal procedures were brushed aside. Lokesh Talikatte, the president of the Registered Unaided Private School Association, has declared his intention to approach the Supreme Court to challenge the division bench's interim order. Advocate Suresh admitted that it was bizarre that with just 3 days until the date of the exams, a legal battle is still on. He said that it wasn't expected that the state government would file an appeal against the single judge order that quashed the exams and that the division bench, without knowing the merits of the case, granted the stay on the order. So it puts students in a state of confusion, he added. Advocate K.V. Dhananjay, speaking for the parties opposing the decision, warned that with the interim order putting a stay on the single judge's decision, the state government might drop the appeals post-exams. He argued that this would mean the government won't fix the legal issues in the notification process, making the interim order permanent. Karnataka students find themselves caught in a storm of uncertainty just days before their scheduled exams. Will the exams be conducted as scheduled or do more legal battles await? I'm Deepthi Rao, you are watching India Today, SoSouth.